Workers place milk popsicles in molds filled with chocolate. After half an hour of freezing, the chocolate in the mold has completely adhered to the entire popsicle. After tearing out the fixings, workers place them in a cutting machine. The blades on the cutter can cut the entire popsicle into original pieces of uniform thickness. At the moment when the cutting is completed, the machine will insert a wooden stick in the middle of each original piece. This is an ice factory specializing in making ice cream. Before making, workers pour enough maltose into the container, and use a mixer to whiten the maltose to increase the taste. Then add mango syrup to it, then add milk powder and water to it and stir. The mango-flavored ice cream is ready. Using the same method, the factory also produces raw materials that taste like milk, chocolate, and strawberries. A worker pours the ingredients through a measuring cup into the mold. The iron sticks used to hold the popsicles will be cleaned, and then placed in each mold containing the ingredients, and then they will be placed in the freezer pool together. Soon the ingredients in the mold are frozen, forming popsicles. At this point workers will put them back into the warm water pool and use two baffles to hold the molds in place. The machine above the mold will automatically add the sticks, and the popsicles soaked in warm water are completely extracted by the machine, and then placed in the refrigerator for later use. And then put the finished popsicles in it. After the popsicles are frozen, the popsicles that have been more than twice as large are extracted through the same stripping process, and then sent to the cutting machine for slicing. On the other side, workers took the sticks out of the disinfection cabinet and placed them neatly. When the cutter cuts the ice cream, the sticks go exactly into the middle of each ice cream, so the ice cream is made, and after simple packaging, it can be sent to the place where it is needed.